Dear friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Bioenergy healing is an alternative therapy practice that focuses on channeling energy through the human body's intrinsic energy system. It operates under the belief that the body is not only a physical structure but also a complex energetic system, and disruptions in this energy system can cause emotional and physical illness. Below is an exploration of what bioenergy healing entails, its origins, methodology, benefits, and controversies. Origins and beliefs. The concepts behind bioenergy healing have their roots in various ancient traditions, including Chinese medicine and Ayurveda. These traditions recognize a vital life force, known as qi in Chinese or prana in Sanskrit, that flows through the body. Bioenergy healing practitioners believe that a healthy body maintains a balance of energy, and when this balance is disrupted, it leads to illness or stress. By manipulating the flow of energy within the body, they argue, one can restore balance and promote health and well-being. The human energy field. According to proponents of bioenergy healing, the human body is surrounded by an energy field, often referred to as an aura. This energy field connects to the body through energy centers, called chakras, which correspond to specific physical, emotional, and spiritual functions. The energy field can become blocked or imbalanced due to various factors, such as stress, trauma, or illness. Bioenergy healing seeks to remove these blocks, cleanse the energy field, and align the chakras to restore the body's natural healing abilities. Methodology. Bioenergy healing sessions typically begin with an assessment of the client's energy field, which might include visual or tactile observation. The practitioner then employs various techniques to manipulate and balance the energy. Hands-on healing. Some practitioners use their hands to physically touch or lightly hover over the body, channeling energy to specific points or areas in need of healing. Use of tools. Others may use crystals, wands, or other tools designed to conduct and channel energy. Breathwork and visualization. Breathing techniques and guided visualizations can help clients to relax and connect with their energy system, facilitating the healing process. Integration of other therapies. Many practitioners integrate bioenergy healing with other complementary therapies, like acupuncture or massage, to enhance the effects. Benefits and applications. Bioenergy healing is used to address a wide variety of physical, emotional, and spiritual ailments. Supporters claim it can alleviate chronic pain and muscle tension, improve mental clarity and focus, enhance emotional well-being, boost immune system function, aid in recovery from injury or illness. Controversies and criticism. While there are numerous anecdotal reports of success with bioenergy healing, scientific evidence supporting its efficacy is limited. Some critics argue that the positive effects attributed to bioenergy healing may be due to placebo or the general benefits of relaxation and stress reduction. In some jurisdictions, legal and ethical considerations come into play, as practitioners must be careful not to make unverified medical claims or practice medicine without a license. Conclusion. Bioenergy healing is a multifaceted practice grounded in ancient wisdom, with a focus on the energetic dimensions of health and well-being. Its techniques, while varied, all aim to manipulate the body's energy system to restore balance and promote healing. Despite criticism and lack of robust scientific backing, bioenergy healing continues to have a significant following, with many individuals finding value in the practice. As with all complementary and alternative therapies, potential clients should approach bioenergy healing with careful consideration, ideally consulting with medical professionals to ensure it aligns with their individual health needs and goals. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.